Good evening, everybody. Today we will discuss a new chapter that is on permutation, isn't it? So, attention, please. So, from the name, the first question arises: what is permutation? Isn't it? What is permutation? You see, I have written three letters. One is A, another is B, another is C. Isn't it? Before you listen, a permutation is an arrangement of object in a definite order, isn't it? Suppose from A, from B and C, we can write AB, BA, AC, BC, CB, isn't it? If there are three objects A, B, C, then the permutation of these three objects taking two at a time, isn't it? Are AB, BA, AC, BC and CB. Instead of two, if you take three at a time, then we can write A, B, C, okay, then A, C, B, okay, then B, A, C, then B, C, A, after that C, A, B, and finally we got C, B, A. And the permutation of these three, how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. So again repeat. What is permutation? A permutation is an arrangement of object which can be met by taking some or all of a number of object is called permutation. Here we have taken three objects. One is A, another is B, another is C. Okay, then the permutation of these three objects, taking two at a time, we got AB, BA, AC, BC and CB. And the permutation of these three objects, taking three at a time, we got ABC, ACB, BAC, BCA, CAB, CBA. Got it? Here the number of permutation 6. Okay, everybody, I think you got it. What is permutation? Again, I am repeat. A permutation is an arrangement of object in a definite order. Okay. Now follow the board. The number of permutation of n different objects taken are at a time is, write down, n into n minus 1, n minus 2, n minus r plus 1. Okay, the number of permutation of n different object taken r at a time is n into n minus 1, n minus 2, n minus r plus 1, which is denoted by NPR. P represent here permutation. Same thing, n into n minus 1, n minus 2, up to n minus r plus 1. This can be written as NPR, or you can write like this way, P n comma r, same thing. Clear? So the number of permutation of n different objects taken are at a time is n into n minus 1, n minus 2, n minus r plus 1, which can be denoted by NPR. P represent here permutation, or it can be written as P into n come R up to this. Clear? That is P permutation NR equal to NPR, same thing, equal to follow N factorial. What? N factorial by N minus R factorial. Got it? Just copy it. Then we come back with different formula. Dear student, please follow. Write down NP0. What? NP0 equal to N factorial by N minus 0 factorial. Okay? Equal to N factorial by N factorial. It gives us 1. Clear? NP0 equal to 1. Follow N factorial by N minus 0 factorial equal to N factorial by N factorial equal to 1. Got it? Next, write down NPN equal to, it can be written as N factorial by N minus N factorial equal to N factorial by 0 factorial equal to N factorial. Clear? Okay, now we'll do one math. Okay, write down and copy it first to try. If not, then I will help you. Find the value of 6p4. Dear friend, look here. Finding the value of 6p4. Okay, so write down 6 factorial. Then 6 minus 4 inclusive the first bracket factorial. Okay, then 6 factorial by 2 factorial. Clear? Then follow carefully. 6 factorial can be written 6 multiply 5 multiply 4 multiply 3 multiply 2 factorial. Got it? Denominator 2 factorial. It cancel. So finally we are getting the answer 6 multiply 5 multiply 4 multiply 3. So it coming 360. So this is the answer. So simplify 6p4 equal to factorial 6 by 6 minus 4 factorial equal to 6 factorial by 2 factorial. 6 factorial can be written as 6 multiply 5 multiply 4 multiply 3 multiply 2 factorial. And the lower part 2 factorial both has cancelled. So finally we are getting the answer 360. Got it? Okay, copy it. Then we will do the another side. Dear student, follow the next sum. Permutation 15, 2. It can be written as 15p2. Similarly, write down 15 factorial by 15 minus 2 factorial. Okay, it's coming 15 factorial divide 13 factorial. Got it? So write down 15 multiply 14 then 13 factorial. Lower part 13 factorial, this 2 has cancelled. So 15 multiply 14 coming out to 10. So this is the answer. 15p2 can be written as 15 factorial by 15 minus 2 factorial. It's coming out 15 factorial by 13 factorial. So after calculating this, we are getting 210. This is the answer. I think everybody has enjoyed the class. So this is the basic concept from permutations. On the next class, we will do in details. Okay, let's tata, good night.